how to use the Lyft bike and scooters within the app. Now, apart from using the ride section, you also have the scooters and bike section inside of the Lyft platform. You simply need to tap on the scooter or bikes icon that is being displayed on the bottom of your page. Once you locate this section, you'll be able to see the exact location, battery levels, as well as walking distances to these nearby vehicles. You can reserve it if you want. So if you are on the way, you can tap on a particular scooter that is near your location, and you can reserve a scooter or a bike ahead of time so that it is waiting for you. You can simply, once you're near the bike or scooter that you've reserved, you can simply tap on the scan option, and you will be able to locate the QR code as well on the scooter so that you can scan it straight away. So using this exact process, you'd be able to use the Lyft bike and scooters within this platform. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.